You heard her. I think he has a tummy ache.
What, Benson?
Do Elmo have a tummy ache?
Elmo, are you feeling well? What do you say, Chucky? So, you guys, I think Elmo has a tummy ache. Let me check Elmo. Let me see if he starts. Oh, Elmo, is your stomach really hurting, Elmo? Wake up! Elmo! Elmo! Elmo!
Oh my gosh, guys.
Oh, you guys. And what are you doing with Tiffany things?
Oh my gosh.
Elmo note says, I ate some LOL surprise. Cut them out. Oh, MG, you. Elmo ate some. Let's operate on him with our Doc McStuffin kit and see what Elmo has inside of him. You want to try on these shoes first, Elmo? No? So, you guys, we have some scissors. Make sure to ask your parents to help you when you're playing with scissors. And we have a play knife and our Doc McStuffin aid kit. Let's get to cutting. Let me see. Make sure to have your parents help you. So this is not cutting Elmo open. He moves. Evil Elmo moves. No, Elmo. Let's see how many LOLs he has. Let's get ready to cut him open. Are you guys ready?
Oh gosh.
Oh, God. Oh, my gosh, Elmo. How do you get all these toys inside of you? Elmo ate all the toys while we were playing. That's why his tummy is hurting.
You slick red devil, you.
So, you guys, oh, we got all the toys. Elmo. Yes, you do.
I need a Band-Aid.
So let's go ahead and operate him before we open these toys up. Let's go ahead and put a Band-Aid on Elmo where he was cut open at. Oh, Elmo, we will make it feel better. Oh. Now let's open these toys up that Elmo had. Sorry, these toys are stuck in you. I know. Can you help me open them? All right, Elmo. So, you guys, we're going to open these toys that Elmo found. These LOL tiny toys, which are the LOL surprise rules. Let's see what was inside of these little containers that was making Elmo tummy hurt. Oh, Elmo. Let's see what was in here. Poor Elmo had all of these things stuck in his tummy. Oh, Elmo. Let's see what's in there. So I wonder if we're going to get a boy, a girl. Ooh, animal. These things are so tough to open, you guys. Ah! Drop it. Elmo's stomach was these LOL surprises and these Poopsie slime surprise. So kids, if you're using scissors at home, have your parents help you because scissors are dangerous. They're very sharp. So we're gonna see why Elmo's stomach was hurting so much. We're gonna open our second LOL Surprise Little, and this is the Makeup Queen. We're gonna see what's in here. Oh, Elmo, your tummy still hurts. Yeah, it hurts. Oh, I'll help you open it, Elmo. Okay, Elmo, we'll get it open. Let's get this open, Elmo. Let's see what's in here, Elmo. Ooh, this is a new one, Elmo. This is the first doll we got that came out of Elmo. Little Pharaoh babe. Let's see who this is that came out of Elmo. She is super cute, Elmo. Oh, did she fall? Sit her right here. Didn't come with any shoes. Let's open her shoes. Okay, that's one clear shoe. So you guys, this is why Elmo's tummy was hurting. He ate some LOL surprises. Oh, Elmo.
Hi guys.
Don't eat them anymore, Elmo.
Ha ha ha. Look what happens when you eat all these toys, Elmo. They hurt your stomach, guys.
It didn't hurt my stomach, Chucky.
Well, I had a big tummy ache when I ate mine.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.